Welcome back, astronomical learners. This is your host, Mrs. Deanna, and for the month of July, I'm already doing Freebie Friday, but I thought, wouldn't it be fun to do Teach It Tuesday? So on Tuesdays, I'm going to be posting some tutorial videos about some fun little things that I have that you see on my desk behind me, and so I can get some use out of them and help you use these tools either at home, give you ideas on what to do, but essentially bring literacy to you the easiest way possible. So stay tuned and I will teach you something. Welcome back, astronomical learners. Alright, so today I thought I would show you a word family sort. Alright, so this is geared toward either our early beginning learners that have already mastered their CVC words or know at least their short vowel sounds, or some emergent learners. Even older learners, you could probably do this with them as well. But essentially, you don't have to have these cards. You can make them yourself. You could just have index cards with them written on them. But essentially, if you have a deck of cards, or if you just have a dry erase board and a marker, you could play this game. So what I'm going to do is put down 3 cards, and we're going to sort. So let's look. We have k-at for cat, h-at for hat, and j-et for jet. So, what do I see that is similar? Oh, that's right. They all have a T. Okay, so I can't just look at the ending. I have to investigate a little bit more here. So when it comes to rhyming, I want to let you know that when I was younger, I just really looked at the ending of the 2 letters. So I knew that if it had at, those would match. But the et gets confusing sometimes. So I want you to know that we should acknowledge that, hey, that's pretty cool that you noticed that, oh, they all have a T, but they have different beginnings. So I'm going to put these together and say that's my match and put them to the side. So let's keep jet, let's add vet, and let's add bug. Oh, okay, so what do we notice? We have jet for jet, vet for vet, bug for bug. So these 2 have the same last letters and the same middle letters. That's right, jet and vet rhyme. They're a word family. Alright, I'm going to move over bug. Okay, what's next? Put down mug and jog. Oh, okay, so similar problem here, right? So I see bug, bug, mug, jog. Okay, so I'm proud of myself because I remember that j sound. But look, they all have the g ending. But what has the middle sound? Oh, that's right, bug and mug rhyme. Okay, so that's my match. Let's move over jog. What comes next? I have dog and pig. Okay, so we have jog, dog, pig. So, ooh, that's right, jog, dog, pig. So this one's different. I'm going to keep this one here, picking up jog and dog, putting to the side. They're a match. Ooh, what's next? I have dig and chin. Okay, this is looking a little bit harder for me. Okay, so I have pig for pig, dig for dig, chin for chin. So I know that CH stays together. They all have the same middle letter, that I, but these 2 have the same ending, pig and dig. Okay, great, they rhyme. I'm going to put my match over here. I'm going to slide over chin. What is next? Okay, so I put down win and cap. So chin, chin, win, cap, cap. Okay, so ch, different beginnings, same middle, same ending. Okay, and this one's the odd man out, so I have my match. Woohoo! Let me slide this over. Okay, here we go. Ooh, do any of these match? Move my light out of here. Do any of these match to you? Cap, cap, bell, bell, skate, skate. That's right, that's that magic E, so that makes the A sound. That's silent. I'm gonna pick all of these up and reshuffle my deck. Okay, here we go. Now we have bake, cake, gate. Okay, a little bit more letters now. Bake, magic E, ache, magic E, gate. Oh, they all three have magic E, but this is a T, these are K's. Okay, I have my match. Woohoo! Slide over my gate. Okay, what is next? I have spoon and balloon. Alright, gate, gate, magic E, spoon, balloon, balloon. Spoon and balloon both end in that double O-N. Gate, sorry gate, you get to stay. I got my match. Alright, let's keep going. What's next? I have man and clock. So I have gate, magic E, man, man, clock, clock, clock. Okay, I gotta reshuffle. Let's try again. Let's see, what do we have next? I have bee, sock, and lick. B, sock, sock, ick, ick. Okay, well I have my two endings, CK, CK. Alright, what's next? Let me put down top and stop. Okay, still have B, E, top, top, stop. Okay, so they don't have the same amount of letters, but they both end in T-O-P, T-O-P. There's my match. Alright, what's next? I have boat and kick. Let's see. B-E, boat, k-ick. They have the same beginning, but none of these really match. Okay, I gotta reshuffle. Alright, what's next? Ooh, I have ball, yell, and wall. Ball, yell, wall. Alright, so this is a B, Y, W. They all, oh, not this one. That's the odd one out. There's my match. A-L-L. Okay, so let's keep yell. What's next? Bell and skate. Okay, back to skate. Maybe we'll find a match this time. I have yell, B-L. So yell, bell, skate, magic E. Oh, there's my match, E-L-L. Okay, so I'm going to slide over skate. Then we have gate. And what else do I have? Man, that's right, man. Okay, skate, gate, magic E. Gate, magic E, gate. And man. Oh, you're the odd one out. I got my match. Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, I have goat, and I have van. Okay, we're getting a little crowded here. Okay, so we have goat, an, an. Oh, that's easy. Van and man. He's out of there. Okay, so we got goat. And then we have, oh, boat and kick. Okay, still crowded. Goat, boat, kick. Do you see what I see? Got my match. Boat and goat. Sorry, kick. Let's see if we can find you a match. We have clock, and we have map. Kick for kick, clock for clock, app, map. Oh, there we go. CK. We did that with sock and lick earlier. That's right. Or wait, did I make a mistake? Ooh, you would tell me if I made a mistake, right? Can't grown up make some mistakes sometimes? I think we can. Alright, let's bring it back. Alright, now let's look at these. I'm going to put map back over here. I'm going to put my matches back down. Ooh, did we make a mistake? Oh, I think so. Now looking at all of these words. So they all have CK, but we need a vowel. So lick rhymes with kick. Sock rhymes with clock. Yay! I found my matches. That's right. Anybody can make a mistake. Alright, we have tree, cap, and bee. Ooh! Okay. Tree, cap, B-E. Tree, bee. Oh, yeah. That's definitely a match. Okay, cap, what's left? And we have map. There we go. App. App. They are a match. Great job.